So I'm going to show you how to format the storage of your Insta360 Luna Ultra. So you can actually format either the internal storage or the SD card depending on what you're using. So if you swipe down to the main menu and then swipe right, you can see we have internal storage and SD card. So what you want to do now is tap on storage management, and you can see you have the option to format the internal storage or to format the SD card. So I'm going to elect to format the SD card. For instance, I just tap on format and then it says quick format or deep format. Now a quick format is usually enough unless otherwise specified. So tap on that and then confirm you want to format. That's going to delete everything on your SD card. Okay. And then now you can do the same for internal storage. It's going to delete all your footage, all the photos you've taken, and you can now start again on a clean slate. Thanks for watching and good luck.